In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update OneDrive. This process is simple and will ensure that you have access to the latest features and security updates offered by Microsoft. So, let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, let's open the OneDrive application. Whether you're on a desktop or a laptop, you can easily locate the app. You might find it on your desktop, within your Start menu, or by using the search feature on your computer. Once you've located the OneDrive icon, give it a click to launch the application. Now that OneDrive is open, our next task is to navigate to the settings. Depending on the version of OneDrive you're currently using, the way to access settings might slightly vary. However, the most common method is to right-click on the OneDrive icon found in your system tray, which is usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen. When you do this, a menu will appear, and you'll notice an option labeled Settings, or represented by a gear icon. Click on that, and now you've entered the Settings menu. In this menu, we're particularly interested in finding details about the current version of OneDrive and learning how to update it if necessary. From the options available in the Settings menu, look for an option labeled About. This button is often located at the bottom or within a section called Help Settings. Clicking About will reveal details regarding your OneDrive application, including the current version you're operating on. Our primary focus here is to locate the OneDrive version information. When you click to view the OneDrive version, it won't immediately start an update. Instead, this action will open your default web browser and direct you to the official OneDrive page. There, you'll be able to access the latest version available for download. Once the web page is visible, you'll find a download link for the newest version of OneDrive. Simply click the download button. Often, the website automatically identifies your operating system. However, if it doesn't, make sure you choose the correct version for your Windows or Mac OS before proceeding with the download. Once the download is complete, you'll have an installer file ready. Open or run this file, and the installation process will kick off. You'll just need to follow the on-screen prompts, which will guide you through the update process. Typically, it's as simple as agreeing to terms, selecting a destination folder if prompted, and clicking Install or Update. The installer will do the heavy lifting, and you'll see a progress bar showing how the installation is going. Once the installation or update process is complete, you might be asked to restart your computer. It's a good idea to save any open work on other applications before doing so, as restarting ensures all the new updates are properly applied and integrated into your system. And there you have it, you've successfully updated OneDrive to the latest version. Keeping OneDrive up to date makes sure you're using the most recent features, improvements, and security updates Microsoft offers. It's a simple process that significantly enhances your productivity and safeguards your important data in the cloud. Remember, the steps we've covered today are straightforward and designed to guide you seamlessly through the update process. If at any point you feel stuck, don't hesitate to visit the Microsoft Support page or the OneDrive Help Center for additional assistance. Thank you for watching and happy updating.